focuses a lot on the quantitative aspect of psychology. So there's a lot of focus on
Okay.
statistics and specific testing. So there's this new thing coming up, which is animal interventions. So I interned with
What
an
does that
organization.
mean?
Hi, thank you for watching the Unbox College podcast. Please remember, we are not career counselors, nor are we experts in the fields in which we work. These podcasts are just so we can pass on information and stories and equip students with insights into college life and culture. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.
So, hi guys, and welcome to Unbox College Podcasts. This is a show where we talk to some really cool people who have taken some really interesting career trajectories. Today, we have Arunima Agarwal with us, who studied psychology, BA in psychology at Ferguson College, Pune, and now she's currently pursuing her masters from Tata, Mumbai. Hi, Arunima, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm really good. Are you excited for today?
I am. I'm very excited.
Great. Let's get going then.
Yeah.
So, Arunima, we let's start with the whole journey
Hmm.
and let's understand what preparation or entrance exams, what preparation is required in the 11th or 12th standard for any admission process or entrance exams for psychology in India.
So basically, because I was very clear I have to do a BA. So generally, Indian colleges for a BA don't really have entrances. It's just based on your merit, based on your board exams. The only place where there was some different kind of process was in Christ College, but that was also not an entrance. It was just an interview and like essay type questionnaire for my course. But
Okay.
otherwise, the other colleges I applied to, which was Bombay, DU, and Ferguson, it was purely based on merit. So, my preparation was score as much as possible in the boards. That was it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And what subjects are required in the 11th or 12th to pursue
Honestly, no
psychology?
subjects are required. There's no specific thing you can do any stream and switch
Okay.
later. There's nothing that you will learn in 12 that is a prerequisite to do psychology.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And okay, so now we're in the first year. We've got an admission on merit and everything.
Yeah.
What does the first year look like, and what are the foundational subjects that are there generally?
So it's a little different in different states. So because Maharashtra doesn't offer a major degree in general, like there is no concept of
Oh,
psychology major. You know how DU has a psychology honors course. That's not really there in Pune University. So for our
okay.
first year, we had like a bunch of six subjects that you can choose upon admission. So I had English and psychology, sociology, eco, French. So you do all of these subjects throughout first year, and it's only in your second
Yeah.
year where you get to choose a major.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, okay. So in the first year, it's generally all the subjects that are there,
yeah,
and
yeah,
from the second year, it's more like you choose your major in psychology or something.
yeah. So once you choose your major,
Yeah.
then you have like three papers are of your major, and then you have three minors, which again you get to pick.
Okay, so basically after the first year, we are supposed to pick specializations and then go deeper in the second year.
Yeah,
Is that
yeah,
right?
correct. Yes.
Okay. So to understand more about the degree, I would like to know how does this degree test our learnings or abilities? Like, for example, in engineering, we had a lot of quantum to focus on maths,
Hmm.
calculus, and stuff.
Hmm.
So what is your generally focus on during this degree?
So, if you think about like just the psychology part of it, I think a lot of it because so this is again like it varies from college to college, but Ferguson specifically focuses a lot on the quantitative aspect of psychology. So there's a lot of focus on
Okay.
statistics and specific testing and testing manuals, experiments, and practicals in that sense. And on the other hand, you
Yeah.
also have a lot of, luckily I had like research experience, so you get to do a lot of readings of research papers, reviewing articles,
Wow.
so things like that. But again, like the degree is changing a lot because we just gained university status. So I know there have been some changes, but yeah, Ferguson specifically focuses a lot on the stats part and specific, very quantitative aspects of psych.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So, okay, so now we've understood a little about the degree, about our timeline as well. I just want to understand more about the time, the 3 years during this degree. what kind of extracurriculars you can involve yourself in to,
Hmm.
maximize your experience in psychology, and also what kind of curriculars we can involve ourselves in, or not curriculars, I would say, what kind of internships can we apply for to maximize our, experience?
Yeah. So extracurriculars in college as such, Ferguson is not very big on, clubs and things like that. So it's purely left up to an individual, how much you want to push yourself. I personally was really bad at it, but
Hmm.
people would take up sports and drama, and we have a fest, which is like the one thing that everyone gets really into. But apart
Oh,
from that,
okay.
in terms of extracurriculars, I think it's very individually, specific because college wide, we don't really have a lot of activity. In terms of internships and all, I think when you're doing a BA in psychology, it's very you're just touching the surface, of the subject. So you can't really do very focused
Oh,
because
okay.
again, because of the field, you can't really be dealing with patients without the appropriate training. So at a
Correct.
BA level, I think majority of us were doing things in either an HR setting where you're working in recruitment or companies, or you work in an educational setup. So I was work volunteering with an NGO in an academic
Wow.
capacity, or so we also had observation internships with psychiatrists. So you get to sit in on sessions and just observe how things go on and what presentations look like.
Wow.
And I did another thing, which was, so there's this new thing coming up, which is animal interventions. So I interned
What
with
does
an
that mean?
so it's basically like animal assisted therapy. So you train
Wow.
dogs and rabbits, cats to be therapy animals, and they would like kind of implement interventions with kids on the autism spectrum or with hearing or speech impairments, and the dogs would be like the primary,
Yeah.
instrument of change. So because I love dogs, so for me that was more of a stress buster. But yeah, these are few things where you don't need very, specific training, and you can kind of explore in your
Okay.
undergrad. Yeah.
Okay. So, like that's really cool what you just said, about internships, interning at HRs,
Yeah.
the animal intervention, and also, observing psychiatrists take a session of someone.
Yeah.
But I want to understand a little more deeper. Let's get a
Hmm.
little more deeper to
Hmm.
understand what kind of jobs and
Yeah.
what kind of companies does one get after pursuing the degree?
Hmm. I mean, again, I think it depends because a lot of people who do a BA in psychology don't necessarily want to pursue, a clinical field, right? Like if
Oh,
you, yeah, like a lot of people go for an MBA or they do an industrial, they kind of want to pursue that aspect. So
correct.
based on what I understand, like if you want to do counseling or you want to do clinical work, you can't really work after the BA because no one's going to hire you or
Oh,
let you do quality work. You might like observe something or do administrative work, but you won't really learn skills to implement because even if they let you
correct.
do, it's not really ethical because India has a very strict licensing policy when it comes to psychologists and
Wow.
therapists.
Okay.
So I think with a BA psychology degree, you can pursue different fields. Like a lot of people would go into content creation, content writing. Again, HR companies will hire you for to
Okay.
work in the HR department. So that is something that definitely can be explored, and it's a good option. I know a lot of people are doing really well in that field.
Wow.
Not studying more, and so I think you
Yeah.
don't really get to use like the specific psychology aspects if you want to work immediately after your BA degree, but you can explore different career fields. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So, when did you finish your psychology? When did
I
you finish your BA in
passed
psychology?
out in 2019. Yeah.
2019. Okay.
Yeah.
So, after 2019, you immediately joined Tata for your master's?
Yeah. So before I
Yeah.
finished my exams, I mean, by April, I had my admission for Tata in hand. So, I mean, I knew
Oh,
that this is happening.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell me a little more about what are the options for further studies after, psychology,
Yeah.
and what all can be done?
So I think because Ferguson, you get to have minors as well. Your options are a lot more open. Like, since I had two subjects of English, like I know I had the option of further studies in say literature, or some languages. People do study, their minor language like French or German or whatever, and the minor subject. When it comes to psych, I know people have gone for MBA. They've done industrial psychology, so which is it's a newer field as compared to, because clinical and counseling is generally the norm. So people go in for
Yeah.
industrial psychology, and so I know IIT offers like a neurocognition MSc or something of that sort. So that's again something very new and exciting that people want to explore.
Wow.
And if you go abroad, then it's a whole different degree structure, because in the US and all, MA is not really a thing. You go in for a PhD, a 5-year program, and then you get your MA. So that is something, it's a big commitment. So for me, I'm doing
Wow.
clinical
Okay.
and counseling. So I'm doing applied psychology. But yeah, there's a whole
Wow.
bunch of things you can study and explore.
It's really interesting, like your career trajectory after BA in psychology. And that's also really cool, how people can get into HR, people can do neuroscience,
Yeah,
and,
yeah,
I think the field is opening up a lot more than it was before.
yeah. I think earlier there was always this very constructed image that, if you do psych, you're just going to be sitting in some hospital or something and giving advice to people. I think now people are realizing there's a lot more
Yeah,
you can do with this degree. So, yeah.
correct, correct. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so is there, I have asked all the questions that are generally there. Is there anything else that you would like to tell us about your degree?
I think the good thing about Ferguson is like there wasn't that pressure that I need to know for sure what I'm doing, because if you're in an honors course first year off, I didn't have that kind of, clarity that this is what I want to pursue. So I think Ferguson allows you to explore a lot of things and take your time and figure out what your comfort zone is. And because I
Wow.
was still unsure even after my first year whether I want to do English or sociology or psychology. So that's something that you have your options open, because I always tell every junior and everyone that you don't need to know what you want to do. I didn't know. So, and I think Ferguson is going through a lot of changes. I think the department is getting a lot of things figured out and better. So I think coming batches will have a much, much better experience than I did. And another thing to anyone who's listening this, please, please, please do research. That is absolutely critical. So as much as possible, take any opportunity to do research.
Wow, that's so
Yeah.
sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much, Arunima, for
Thank
sharing
you.
this and talking to us. I think we are, I think, I'm sure actually the students will find this extremely useful. Thank you everyone for watching this and, understanding Arunama's cool career trajectory. Do like, share, and subscribe if you think anyone may benefit from this. Please share it with them. Thank you.